Yeah. Sahib, Andrew, Osher, aka AHC crew, going to rap about photosynthesis. Yeah, let's go. Ever wonder why a plant doesn't need to eat? Makes food from the sun, that's something we don't need. Uses water to this process to create sugar from light and CO2. Now it's got energy to grow called photosynthesis. You didn't know. That's the opposite of what we do. Plants taking carbon dioxide and release O2. What makes a plant green? I'm glad you asked. Photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. Plant cells can contain many or only one. That's filled with chlorophyll where this process runs. Yeah. Chemistry of photosynthesis is quite easy flow. Start with 6 CO2 and 6 H2O. Add sunshine and chlorophyll to the mix and end up with what? End up with O2 and glucose. Yeah. Now if you did your homework, then you would really know how photosynthesis would work. Where does photosynthesis occur? So hey, you take it from here.
I'm glad you asked. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, which contains two membranes that protect the mantle terrain of a fluid called stroma. Now sit down, grab a cola, because it consists of a grana, which are stacked like coins that contain thylakoids. Here we have two reactions, light-independent reaction and light-dependent reaction. You see, this makes NADPH and ATP, and one molecule of glucose is produced from two molecules of G3P.
Ever wonder why a plant doesn't need to eat? Makes food from the sun, that's something we don't need. Uses water to this process to create sugar from light and CO2. Now it's got energy to grow called photosynthesis. You didn't know. That's the opposite of what we do. Plants taking carbon dioxide and release O2. What makes a plant green? I'm glad you asked. Photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. Plant cells can contain many or only one. That's filled with chlorophyll where this process runs. Yeah. Chemistry of photosynthesis is quite easy flow. Start with 6 CO2 and 6 H2O. Add sunshine and chlorophyll to the mix and end up with what? End up with O2 and glucose. Yeah.
Let's begin with the main chain called P2, aka photosystem 2. Yeah, Andrew, you got this.
Now the absorption of light goes straight through, going from P680 to extend discrete to an excited state P680 asterisk. Now if P680 gets oxidized, it's just as it's all been theorized. It sends a high energy electron to a primary electron acceptor, which becomes negatively charged, and P680 gets positively recharged to P680+. Now you have a water molecule splitting up into two electrons and also one oxygen molecule and two protons. Time to take a break, let's eat some BBQ. Just like that, electrons take a break and enter the PQ. All from photosystem 2. PQ is an electron shuttle that's probably stronger than your skull. The electrons move from P2 to PQ. Now don't get into a coma because the protons accepted from the stroma. When the electrons leave to the cytochrome complex, the protons are also released into the thylakoid lumen, where they have a fun family reunion.
In order for the electrons to get into photosystem 1, they're transferred from CC to the plasmacyan sun. This may sound familiar but never show anger, because the absorption of light goes straight through to excite P700 to P700 asterisk.
Now as P700 gets oxidized,
It's just as it has all been theorized.
sends the high energy electron to a primary electron acceptor,
It becomes negatively charged.
and P700 gets positively recharged to P700+.
Difference between P2 and P1
is that P700 plus is reduced to P700 by the oxidation of plasmacyan sun. Coming from paradox,
With no bargain,
two electrons travel through a series of chains.
NADP becomes NADPH with truly gain.
The concentration of protons in the stroma,
Are now less than the concentration of the thylakoid lumen.
where there is now a proton reunion. Yeah. To stay in phase, this powers the ATP synthase. Yeah.
Now it's time for you to learn this, and us to be dismissed.
Go.
Yo, let's do the proton that's gonna power the ATP synthase. You can get ready? Alright, I got the next one. Okay, yo.
Hashir, you suck. What the hell are you doing? There you go. Oh my god, Hashir. Yo, let's go. We're leaving. Yo, too much. Hashir, what the hell?
I got this. There you go.
There you go. Andrew, you actually got it. Oh, what the hell? Andrew left.
Oh, you didn't even say. Oh
Such a son of... You actually did it, yo. Let's go. I couldn't see it well. Script!
Ah, you're in my head.